Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Gujarati cuisine with a recipe that's sure to tickle your taste buds, Khaman dhokla. It's a steamed, spongy and delicious snacks that perfect for any time of the day. In a mixing bowl, combine Channa dal, Moong dal and water and let it rest for 3 to 4 hours. Now in a grinder, add the soaked Channa dal, Moong dal, ginger, garlic, green chilies, cumin, salt and water and grind it into a fine paste. In a mixing bowl, combine the grinded batter, water and Rava. Mix them all together and let it rest overnight. After resting, add turmeric, baking soda to the batter. Mix gently and you will see batter becoming frosty. Immediately transfer the batter to a greased steaming dish. Steam the batter for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clear. While the dhokla is steaming, let's prepare the tadka. In a pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds, sesame seeds, chili and a pinch of asafoetida. Once the mustard seeds start popping out, turn off the heat and set it aside. Once the dhokla is done, let it cool for few minutes. Cut it into square or diamond. Drizzle the prepared tadka over the dhokla. Ensure it gets into the cuts for maximum flavor. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. And there you have it. Our delicious and spongy Khaman dhokla is ready to be served. Serve it with some mint chutney or tamarind chutney on the side. You can even enjoy this Khaman dhokla with curd. Let's enjoy the flavors of Gujarat together. Until next time, happy cooking.